Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download USAA app for banking and insurance management, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For iOS devices, open the App Store. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type USAA. Press the search button to display the results. Look for the official USAA app in the search results. Ensure it has the USAA logo and is developed by USAA. Tap on the app to open its page. Check the app's ratings and reviews for additional information. To download the app, tap the Get button for iOS. If you're using Android, tap the Install button. If prompted, enter your Apple ID or Google account credentials. Once the download begins, wait for the installation to complete. After installation, locate the USAA app on your device. Tap to open the app once it appears. Allow any necessary permissions the app requests. This may include access to notifications or location services. On the welcome screen, you'll see options to log in or create an account. If you're a new user, select Create Account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. If you already have an account, select Login. Enter your user ID and password, then tap Login. Once logged in, explore the app to access banking. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available options. You can manage your bank accounts, file claims, or view insurance policies. For any issues, refer to the Help section in the app. Enjoy managing your finances and insurance needs conveniently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.